Welcome back to CAD tutorial. Today we are going to design and we are going to create a Y joint in Solidworks with the help of sheet metal commands or sheet metal tools. See, this is the simple Y joint. These are the three joints. We will create each and every part, and once you create it, you are able to open this in drawing, and you will create a separate drawing for this Y joint, and you will easily cut in any machines. So let's see how to make this simple part. I hope you like it. Now here let's start to create our wall joint in Solidworks with the help of sheet metal tool. Just right click on command manager and choose here sheet metal. Okay, so let's start here. I'll choose here front plane, sketch, and let me create a Y shape geometry. So I'll choose here line, draw one line, make sure it is passes through origin, press escape or right click and exit. Even though just right click, drag and click line, and it will automatically you are able to select up to here. Press escape, again choose right click, drag and put exit. Now select both these Y lines, make equal. Let me define this one. I'll choose this equilateral geometry, so I'll keep this one 1000 millimeter, 500 millimeter. Let me define the angle 45 degree. The same here. Okay, that's it. Now select all the lines and choose here for construction purpose. Okay, isometric view, normal view. Here we forget to make one more relation. Select this vertical line and choose origin point and make one relation midpoint. That's it. This is very important relation. It makes our geometry equilateral. Exit. Now here we want to create 3 number of plane which is going to define our Y shape. So go to feature, plane. I'll choose first this line and this upper point. You can see it's going to create a perpendicular plane on this line. Okay. Again, go to reference geometry, plane, and select this side line and this top corner. See, a perpendicular plane to this line. Okay. Now the third one, choose reference plane, select this vertical line and select bottom point. Look. Okay. Now you can adjust plane according to okay, that's fine. Now let's start to create our Y shape by joint. So I'll choose this surface first, sketch. Go to circle and draw here a circle. That's it. Let me define this one. Keep the diameter 400 millimeter. Choose here line and I'll choose draw a line up to this side. So here you will find one point. Just find out. Oh, okay. This is the point. Right click, exit. Now draw one more line. Escape. Choose mirror entities. Select this line. Copy. Make sure it is copy because we want to copy this line. So select this center line as a reference line or mirror about. You can see here. Select okay. Now select this all lines for construction purpose. Smart dimension. Define the gap between two lines. So we will keep 1 mm. This is the minimum value. Let's keep minimum. Trim entity. Choose power trim and drag here and see it is trimmed. Okay, this is the simple tool. Now the first section of Y joint face we created. Now just go to sheet metal. Choose here base flange tab. let's keep length 500 millimeter. See here, keep reverse direction. That's it. Let's check. See, thickness comes out, so we want to make thickness reverse direction inside. Keep thickness inside is better. Thickness 1.5 millimeter and radius keep 1 mm, and the K factor keep as it is 0.5. Okay. Now let's hide this plane. Now we want to trim this one, so I'll choose here front plane, sketch, normal, line. I'll start from this origin point, this point, and come up to here, this point, again come down up to origin point, then start from origin point to this point, and again close to origin. Okay, let me define 22.5 degrees. This is the diameter we want to keep, and here what we will keep, select this outer edge of this, difficult to select, but and select this collinear. Okay, see, this geometry is fully defined, so let's go to sheet metal. Here you will find extruded cut. Now in selected contour, we have to select these two faces. See, in end condition, keep through all both. We want to cut in both direction, so keep all. Now the one section is created. You will see here in cut list, sheet metal part 1. If you will open, select flatten. Now see, this is the flattened part of this one. Later we will save it. Now just hide this part. Choose your plane to sketch circle, and let repeat this, the same thing. So I'll just, same thing, it's not 400 millimeter. Choose your line and drag this side, and you will find here one node. Just okay, this is the node. Again choose line, and let me complete this section from here to this circle. Right click, exit, mirror, and we want to mirror this line. Keep copy and against this line. Let me define the gap between these two lines. Even you can define by angle, that's not big deal. It's up to your requirement. See, this is the 1 millimeter. Keep trim entities. Keep power trim and just drag your left key and it will be changed. Select these 3 lines for construction purpose. Okay. Now just go to sheet metal and select here extruded boss base. Keep the length same 500 millimeter. Keep reverse direction, and now here it is asking you override default parameter. Select OK. Then it will show us 1.5. Keep thickness inside. See, now it is outside. Here reverse. See, it went outside. Override means it's going to override to the previous geometry. Okay. I'll show you the first one. Now see, it is override to this geometry. See. So it's time to cut this first one, just hide it. Front plane, sketch, line. Start with this point. Select this end point. Make sure we are select selecting end point and start up to make sure it is coincide with this outer edge. See, exit. Now here let us create a one relation. Select this outer line, hold shift key and this line. Make relation collinear. That's fine. Let's define the angle. Keep the angle same 22.5 degree. Now it is fully defined. So just go to sheet metal, extruded cut. Keep end condition through all both direction and selected contour. Just select these two faces. Okay. Now it is full hide. See. Now let's hide this also. Now let's select the last plane, third plane, sketch, circle, and here also we will repeat the same thing, nothing difference. 400 millimeter, choose directly the line, start from center point and just check where you will find. Okay, again the line, mirror against this line and define the distance between two lines. 2 points actually, not the line, 2 points actually, 1 millimeter. Okay, now select these three lines and choose here for construction purpose. Okay, now it becomes construction line. We want to trim this inside, so let's choose trim entity, power trim. Drag your left key and see it is trimmed. Okay, now it's time to extrude. So just go to sheet metal, base flange, keep length 500 millimeter. Override default because it's going to override to the our previous geometry. Keep thickness 1.5 in reverse direction and the extrusion also in reverse direction. Okay, look, front plane, sketch, normal, and here is time to trim. So select here the line or directly select the end point, this end to this end, drag, then origin, make sure it is going to touch this outer line. Okay, smart dimension, and let's define the angle in both direction, 22.5 degree. The same here in opposite direction, 22.5 degree. Select extruded cut. In selected contour, select these two faces. Here choose end condition, choose through all both. Okay. Now let's hide this our sketch 1. Hide this plane 3. See, the first one, second one, and this third one. This is the Y joint with the help of sheet metal tool. Now this all three are same. If you will go to sheet metal and you will select flatten, only one pattern is going to flatten. See, this is the actual requirement. Unflatten, isometric view. Here you will see cut list. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Right click on sheet 1 and select isolate. Now see, this is the first part and two parts are either, because here I choose transparent, you can choose hidden. Now see, the only one part you will be able to see which is we are going to flatten. It's flatten, exit from the flatten if you like to save, you can save it, exit, that's it. So let me define some color and we will save this. It's going too dark, so I'll be fine with this. Okay, now let me save first this one. Y joint in sheet metal. Okay, save. Go to your make drawing. Select landscape. Okay, any method you can choose, it's up to you. We want to save, actually simply exit, don't save, and let me choose the first part, isolate. Now this is the first part, we want to save this first part, so just directly click make isolate, sorry, make drawing. This window will open. Here you will select your sheet size, select OK. Now it's going to put here our sheet size. Now in your left hand side you can see here, in right hand side you will see front view, left side, left view, bottom view, and flatten pattern. So I'll choose flatten pattern, drag it. So this is your flatten pattern. Okay. Now this pattern you can easily define whatever dimension or anything. You can find it from here, and simply you can save this also. Just click file, save as, choose here DXF file, because in most of the cases, even if you want to open this drawing in AutoCAD, you can open, just save as DXF file, Y joint sheet metal, save. Now it's saved. Now let me open, open. Here select DXF file, where exactly if you will find, choose here DXF file. Now see, this is the Y joint, open. Now it is going to open in DXF, select next. Now see, this is the our DXF file. See, you can zoom in, zoom out, and here you can see this is what we saved. Finish. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and if you